You don't look so good. Are you feeling okay?
No, not really.
Hey, it's me. The candy worked. She's half out of it now.
Excellent.
Alright, time to come inside. Come on.
Finally, I can take this from her.
So what do we do with her now?
Well, she's already got Mr. Knight all the publicity he needs, so she's no longer of use to me. Susan, what's going on? Oh, Madeline, isn't it obvious? I'm getting you away from Mr. Knight. He's mine. Mr. Knight is gonna find me.
He's not gonna look for you, 'cause Susan's been telling him that you're fine.
I'm sorry, darling, but I need to be the focus of Mr. Knight's life, not you. No, I never really found out where he actually works. I think that he just got shot. Hey, it's me again. I'm really worried about you. Please, just call me back. Oh my god, babe, you're back. Are you okay?
Yeah. Wait, why are you asking me that?
Well, I've just been really worried about you because you haven't answered any of my calls, and I had this feeling that you—
I'm fine, babe. Really. I just need a rest, please.
We've been together for a year, and I don't even know what his job is. I'm going to march right up there and ask him what— Ow! Did he just get hit in the head? Ah, what is going on?
I told you guys I quit. Babe.
Is that guy—
Don't worry, baby. He's just, sleeping. There's something I have to tell you. I work for the Mafia.
The what?
I know, it's bad. But today I quit, and I promise— Oh.
Ow!
Wait, why'd you say ow?
Well, there's, something that I need to tell you too. Build my own pet or build my own soulmate. I'm pretty single right now, so I think I'm gonna go with soulmate.
Pick a color.
I like them both, but I am a sucker for blue eyes.
Pick a height.
I mean, I want him to be tall, but not like too tall. 6 foot is good.
Pick his figure.
Not that that's important, but you know, a little muscle never hurt anyone. Okay, now this one is confusing me. Toxic or supportive? Yeah, I really want my man to be toxic. Come on.
Creating your soulmate now.
Okay, I am so nervous.
Please stand by, your soulmate is processing.
Alright. I have been waiting here for like 2 hours. What is the holdup?
Unexpected error.
Your soulmate has been delivered.
Okay, that was, really weird. Okay, no big deal. Your soulmate is at that door, so just be cool, be confident. Here we go.
Hello. Nice to meet you. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Everything's fine, sir.
I want to talk to her.
Sorry, she just fell asleep.
Thanks to this brat, Mr. Knight is getting suspicious. You're not gonna get away with this. Mr. Knight is gonna find me.
It's him.
Stay calm. I will handle it. Sir, I can assure you, everything is fine. Help!
Wait, don't open that! Madeline?
I'm sorry, sir, but you're supposed to be in love with me, not her.
You're my assistant.
But I wanted to be more than that.
You're insane. Both of you, get back. Susan and your fake uncle have both been arrested.
I thought I'd never see you again.
I am so sorry this happened, Madeline, but I promise, as your father, I'll protect you from now on.
Father? So, you still want to adopt me?
Aw, kid, of course. I mean, after all, we've got that list to finish, right? And look what I found.
I love you, Dad.
Madeline, I love you too.
Let's see your mark. Purple? Purple equals famous. You're 5 and you still can't read. It says famous. Well, does that mean that I'm gonna be famous? You famous? Oh, no, honey. These marks are just for fun. But, you should cover yours up.
Hey guys, look who it is.
Aw, it's the wannabe famous girl. Would you like to audition for a movie, love? No, thank you. Oh, but you're exactly what we're looking for. That's the script. You know what? Maybe I will.
Okay, we're ready whenever you are. Action.
I'm sorry, Derek, but I don't think things are working out between us.
Okay, cut.
But I didn't even get to finish.
I know. We saw what we needed, thank you. Honey, what's that in your hands?
Nothing.
Was that a script?
It wasn't. It was just some homework.
It better not be. Now cover up that mark.
Is this Tara?
Yes.
Hi, I'm calling to congratulate you. You got the part for the movie. You got the part for the movie.
Are you serious?
Yes, congratulations.
Where are you going? I'm just gonna meet up with a couple friends from school. Is that okay?
Yeah, all right. Just don't be too long. So another question we have is, do you have any allergies?
I mean, the only thing that I'm allergic to is peanuts, but other than that...
Allergic to peanuts. Got it. We start filming next week.
Okay, thank you.
Your mark is showing. Cover it up.
I'm not gonna cover up my mark anymore.
Excuse me? And why's that?
Because it might just be coming true.
What are you talking about?
I got cast as one of the leads in a movie. They start filming next week. I don't really care what you have to say. I'm gonna go.
My daughter is gonna be a lead in a movie? Congrats! This is amazing! Did you like the dinner?
Yeah, it was really good, and I'm glad you're supporting me now. Well, I should probably get to studying my lines, so...
Actually, no, you won't be doing anything.
Grandma, what is that above my head?
Those are all your childhood memories, dear, and it looks like you've already made quite a lot of them.
Well, that's good, because I want to remember all the fun things I did with you.
Oh, Annalise, you are so sweet. There is a fire in the castle. We need to get you both out now.
Grandma, I'm scared. I don't want to lose you like I lost my parents.
Don't worry, dear. We'll be all right. My queen, watch out! The ceiling is collapsing. No! You left your clothes on the floor.
Sorry,
They pay me to foster you, not to be your maid. Didn't anyone ever teach you to clean up after yourself?
Well, you know, even if someone did, I really wouldn't have remembered because I lost all my childhood memories.
Yeah, enough with your sob story. Just clean up.
Excuse me, sir, do you know why there's a bunch of flowers everywhere?
Oh, yeah, those are for the princess. Everyone leaves those for her. Today marks the 5th year of her passing. It's awful what happened to her. Hey, are you okay?
I think I just had a memory of me being a princess. Sorry, I know that sounds crazy.
A princess? Wait, did something happen to your memories?
Yeah, actually, when I was younger, some sort of accident happened to me. I don't remember what, but the doctor told me that I have amnesia.
Some people still think the princess is still alive.
They do?
Yeah, and actually, I'm one of those people. You know, I could take you to the queen if you really think you're the princess.
No, that's okay. I really should be going.
At least take my number. If any more of your memories come back, call me.
I can't believe that guy thought that I was a princess.
My queen, watch out! The ceiling is collapsing. No!
Grandma? She left me. My head.
Hey, I got your voicemail. You got another memory?
I think that I am the princess, and I need your help to take me back to the queen.
Please hold my baby. I'll be right back.
Ma'am, It's been like an hour. Where is your mom? It's freezing out here. I don't think your mom's coming back. Hey, Mom.
Honey, whose baby is that?
Don't freak out, but some lady told me to hold her baby, and she never came back.
How awful. We better call CPS or something.
No, I want to keep her.
Honey, are you sure you're ready to take care of a baby?
Yeah, you know what? I think I am.
It's not going to be easy.
I know, Mom. I'm gonna take good care of her.
Look, Mom, I'm winning!
Oh, honey, how fun! Hang on, I think there's someone at the door. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, yes, actually, I believe you're the one I let hold my child, and I'd like her back.
I think that I am the princess, and I need your help to take me back to the queen.
The thing is, they won't just let anyone into the castle. We have to convince them that you're royalty.
But how would I do that?
I have an idea. Come on, we're going shopping.
Are you sure this outfit isn't too much?
No, I think it's perfect. It shows the queen that you know how to dress like a princess.
If you say so.
Wait here. The queen will see you in just a moment. Hey, it's gonna be all right. She'll remember you.
Grandma, I thought I never...
See me again. I've heard it all before. Tell me something that only my Annalise would know.
Well, I can't exactly do that because a lot of my memories got lost, but I remember you.
Stop. My heart can't take this anymore. She's just another girl pretending to be my granddaughter. Take her away. No, please. I came all this way to see you. I'm sure I can remember something. Let's go. Carousel music box. It was blue. You gave it to me.
Wait,
Babe,
don't you dare use any more of those words, understand? 5 million words? That's ridiculous. You won't be using any of those. What did I tell you about talking?
I'm breaking up with you.
Oh, really? Where are you gonna go? You don't have any money. 9 million words this year, huh? No one needs that many. Hey, I need you to go to the store for me. I don't like that pink shirt you bought yesterday. I want you to return it. You're allowed to use 3 words maximum when you go out. Don't be playing games with me this time. I'll be checking your words when you get back.
Hi, what would you like to return? Just that? Okay, hold on 1 second. That'll be $6.99 back on the card.
Please help me. Please help me.
Oh, did you need my help finding something in the store, or?
Hey, can we hurry up the line? I'm on my lunch break. I don't got all day.
Do you need medical attention?
No.
Hey, it's okay. Can you wait over there for me, hun, and I'll get someone to help you.
You're allowed to use 3 words maximum when you go out. Don't be playing games with me this time. I'll be checking your words when you get back.
I'm so sorry, the line is really busy right now, but my manager will be over here to help you soon.
There you are. You took forever. Did you return the shirt? Good, let's get out of here. Damn, why do I feel like I'm forgetting to do something? Wait a minute. You were supposed to make dinner tonight. Go on. What? Is dinner ready? Hey, 8,996? You used an extra word, and you're gonna tell me why.
Pick a soulmate from my galaxy or Earth. I've always wanted to meet a human, so I guess I will go with Earth.
Activating soulmate string. It will move when your soulmate is close.
Hi, princess. Whoa! How do you get your soulmate string to move? Mine has been not moving. Where'd you pick your soulmate to be from?
Oh, well, I picked a human from Earth.
Your soulmate string won't work.
What?
It only works if your soulmate is on the same planet as you.
How could you pick a human?
I am sorry, Mother. I let my curiosity of humans get the best of me.
You will be single for the rest of your life now.
My soulmate string cannot be moving. That would mean that my soulmate is
Intruder, alert.
close by.
Hi. I believe the string led me to you. You used an extra word, and you're gonna tell me why. Go on, talk. Explain yourself.
It was an accident. I was just telling the cashier thanks.
Uh-huh. You sure about that?
Yes, I swear.
You should really have your dinner. It's getting cold.
That's enough talking out of you. Go to sleep. Bed, now. How did you make that chicken?
Why?
Because after I ate it, my head is filling.
My phone is dead, and his is locked away. I have to get the charger. Please hurry up. Yes.
911, what's your emergency?
I need help.
Thank you for the information, ma'am. Officers will arrive shortly.
You thought you could get away with putting something in my food? Your words. Why did you use up so many? Actually, don't speak. I'll find out. You can't outsmart me. So step away from the girl. Let's see your hands.
Looks like I just did.
No.